Welcome to my Trendifone repair videos. In this video, our technician is replacing the broken display and the back glass on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You can attempt the repair yourself, but we strongly advise you to send your phone to the repair shop. My Trendifone cannot be held liable for any potential damage you cause during the DIY repair. For this repair, we used a thin metal opening tool, a nylon spudger, tweezers, and a heating gun. You might need a double-sided tape as well. A new LCD and a new back glass are a prerequisite for this repair. The first step, or as we call it the step 0, is to turn off your device and be advised to keep the battery at max 30%. Use a heating gun to loosen the glue, then use a metal opening tool to separate the back glass from the frame. When you manage to get in between, insert two plastic picks and use them to cut through the glue. Make sure you're not inserting tools too deep because you might damage the internals. Our third step is to unplug the fingerprint scanner flex cable and remove the back cover. If you forgot like we did, now is the best time to remove the SIM and SD card tray. Remove all the visible Phillips head screws, 16 in total. Gently prep the mid-frame using a nylon spudger. This plastic frame contains the Qi charging coil and the NFC antenna. Now, remove the bottom loudspeaker assembly. A very important step is to disconnect the battery as soon as you can. Step 8 is to spudge all the connections up from the motherboard. Unplug all the sensors, cameras, the LCD, the S Pen, etc. Remove the screw holding the motherboard so you can extract it. On the underside of the motherboard, you should unplug the door-to-board connector. It's time to transfer the internals to the new LCD display. Start with the front camera and the front sensor array. remove the following screws from the daughter board, then extricate the modular headphone jack. Carefully prime the daughter board to remove it. The USB-C port and the primary mic come pre-installed with the board. Finally, remove the vibration motor. Now we reverse the process and put the internals we removed from the old to the new LCD assembly. Start with the vibration motor, then you install the daughter board, the headphone jack and redo the Phillips screws you removed earlier. Now you can put the motherboard and connect it to the daughter board. Then connect all the flex cables. Step 16 is when you transfer the battery to the new assembly. Pry it gently and pay attention not to puncture it. Install the remaining sensors and the iris scanner, and then plug all the remaining flex connections in, finishing with the battery, which is always first to go and last to come back. As we are nearing to the end of the repair, we install the loudspeaker assembly and the mid-frame combo. Of course, redo the 16 screws we took out at the beginning. We will also replace the broken glass from the back. All you need to do is to transfer the fingerprint scanner to the new back cover. Remove the old gasket from the scanner since the new glass back has all the adhesive tapes pre-installed. The last step is to connect the fingerprint scanner flags to the motherboard and set the glass back cover in place. This cover only has the adhesive tape, but in some cases you might need to use the glue or the double-sided tape. Unfortunately, after this repair, the phone will not be waterproof anymore, so you want to keep it away from liquids. And that's it. Good as new. Till the next time, thanks for watching.